Hey Vanna, I just wanted to make a quick video here for you. Okay, so for the pre-write, if you will just choose one thing to do. So let me just show you how to do this. I'm going to tell you what to do for your sake and for the sake of time. You need to choose the topic of relationships. So we're going to click on this, okay? You're going to choose, once it downloads here, I want you to choose the topic of healthy relationships. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to go in here. That means you're going to choose prompt one. Sorry, it's taking my computer forever, but you're going to choose prompt one. Oh, my word. Choose prompt option one on how relationships or what traits are important to relationships. And you're going to explain that. Okay. So you're going to go in here, enable editing. And then once it clicks up, you're going to choose this right here. So prompt option one. So here's your topic. I'm giving you your topic. Your topic is explain what attributes are most important in building relationships. You can choose one attribute, Vanna, or you can choose 2, 3, whatever. I wouldn't do more than 3 just for the sake of time. Choose what traits are most important. This is not your opinion. This is something that you are going to back up with facts. So you're going to explain what attributes are most important in building relationships, and I would use this 13 essential traits of good friends to do that. That's going to be your text that you're going to use to support your explanation or your information. Okay, so that's what we've done here. We've gotten that. We've decided we're doing this, right? You're going to explain the most important attributes in building relationships. We're going to stick with, just for sake of time, writing a standard essay. Okay, so here's your topic. Here's the way you're going to present it. Now we're going to do the pre-write. So you're going to scroll down here. And Vanna, for sake of time, again, I want you to go all the way down here to ideas. Here, I want you to list whatever traits you think, whatever traits are important to relationships. Okay, just list them here in these ideas. Over here, here's what I want you to put. I want you to write, I'm going to use 13 essential traits. I wish I could type for you today. 13 essential traits of good friends. That is what I'm going to use for my supporting evidence, okay? So think of this as a, really, really, really condensed version of a research paper where you have to go find some support for what you're explaining, right? Okay, so you're researching these traits. That's what you're going to explain. And then you're going to use this text. Okay, so that's all you have to, put that there. That's all you need to do. I don't care. But over here, list me some traits. Do you want to talk about honesty, loyalty, whatever? Okay, whatever you want to do. And then, Vanna, all you're going to do is go up here and save that. Save it as whatever you want to. Okay, save it to your computer. And then you're going to upload that in the assignment for the pre-write. And then your pre-write is done. Okay, like 2 minutes to do your pre-write, and that's going to give you 25 points right there. So that'll take that 0 off. After you do the pre-write, then close that. Then you're going to go to the 6-2 rough draft. So for the rough draft, all you're going to do then, Vanna, is you are going to take what you did for your pre-writing, and you're going to put those ideas into an essay. So we're going to do the standard essay graphic organizer, and all you're going to do is follow that, Vanna. So your topic, right, is going to be, it's going to give me a minute, I guess, to download, but your topic is going to be traits that are necessary for healthy relationships. So what you will do then is in your introductory paragraph, you are going to enable editing here. You're going to talk, so this is your option, okay? You're doing this one right here. You are going to go down here and you are going to write your introductory paragraph, and this paragraph right here is going to include your topic and what article you're using, which we said in our pre-write we're going to use 13 essential traits, and just give a short summary, or you don't really have to, but you can, just a short one. And then your thesis statement, which is going to be attributes or traits, however you want to say it, that are important to building relationships, sorry if it's cutting off and I can't type, are, and then you're going to list whatever you choose. Okay, loyalty, honesty, blah, 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 blah. That's going to be your thesis statement. Your thesis statement is going to then go down here. You're going to discuss these traits or attributes that you choose. If you only chose one, like loyalty or honesty, then you're going to explain that here. Okay, you're just going to have one paragraph. If you choose two traits, you're going to have two paragraphs. If you choose three traits, you're going to have three paragraphs. And you're going to do, this body is very similar to what we've done in the races written responses for units 1, 2, and 3. All right, so you're explaining. Leave your personal opinion out, leave personal pronouns out, you're explaining. And then in the end, you're just bringing everything to a conclusion. So you can even restate your thesis, traits, healthy relationships require traits, important traits, whatever, okay? Bring it all to a close. Then again, save this, Vanna, save it, okay? Submit that. I will look at this and I will send it back to you. And if you need to make corrections on it, you're just gonna go back in here, you're gonna open it back up and you're gonna make the corrections on it. And then you're gonna submit this exact same thing with the corrections made as your final draft. So once you write the rough draft, all you have to do is wait for me to look at it, make corrections on it. I'll send it back to you. You make those edits if necessary, and you're going to upload that into the 7-1 final draft, okay? So you're going to go back over here to the table of contents. You're going to go to Unit 7, and then you will, in 7-1, just upload again the corrected rough draft. I hope that makes sense. The corrected rough draft. You're going to upload that in Unit 7 as your final draft, and that's it. Okay, so if you do the pre-write and the rough draft, those two things are basically, Vanna, just completion grades. So they're easy hundreds if you will just turn those in. And then when you wait for me to get that rough draft graded, I will send it back to you and you will just look at it, make any corrections, save it again, but save it as your final draft, and you will just upload it here in the final draft assignment. There is nothing else that you have to like write or anything. You just add the attachment here, upload it and submit it, and you're done. So those are the 3 assignments that you lack. And in all honesty, I think if you could set aside 25 minutes today to work on those, I think you will have it completed. All right, let me know if you have any questions.